Have you ever wondered how you can start making money using AI? In today's economy, artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It's a reality that's changing the way we live and work. And for those who are willing to adapt, it presents a tremendous opportunity to earn a significant income. In fact, AI has the potential to democratize wealth creation, enabling individuals to generate passive income streams that were previously only available to a select few. The truth is, many people are already using AI to earn money, and you can too. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to supplement your income, AI can provide a lucrative new revenue stream. But before we dive into the how, let's take a step back and talk about why AI is so important in today's economic landscape. With automation on the rise, many jobs are disappearing, and new ones are being created in their place. For those who are willing to learn and adapt, AI presents an opportunity to future-proof their careers and earn a significant income in the process. But for those who resist change, the consequences could be severe. So, it's essential that we understand the relevance of AI in today's economy and how it can be used to empower individuals. Moving forward, we'll be exploring the various ways in which you can earn money using AI, from freelance work to content creation and investing in AI startups. But before we do, let's address some common misconceptions and challenges that people face when trying to monetize AI. One of the biggest misconceptions about AI is that it's only for techies. That you need to have a PhD in computer science to even understand the basics. But the truth is, anyone can learn to work with AI, regardless of their background or experience. Of course, it does require some effort, but the payoff can be significant. Another common misconception is that AI is only for large corporations. That it's a tool that's only available to those with deep pockets and huge teams. But the truth is, AI is becoming increasingly democratized, with many tools and platforms available to individuals and small businesses. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to monetize AI is a lack of knowledge. Many people simply don't know where to start or how to get started with AI. But the truth is, there are many resources available online, from tutorials to courses to online communities. It's just a matter of taking the first step and being willing to learn. Fear of technology is another common challenge. Many people are intimidated by AI and don't know how to work with it. But the truth is, AI is just a tool, and like any tool, it can be learned and mastered with practice. Many people also struggle with the idea of replacing human jobs with AI. But the truth is, AI is not about replacing humans, it's about augmenting human capabilities. It's about freeing us up to focus on the things that truly matter, like creativity and problem solving. Others struggle with the idea of bias in AI. That AI systems can perpetuate existing biases and inequalities. And while this is true, it's also important to recognize that AI can be designed to be fair and unbiased. It's just a matter of being aware of these biases and taking steps to mitigate them. Yet another challenge people face is the lack of data. Many people don't have access to the data they need to train and deploy AI models. But the truth is, there are many public datasets available online, and many companies are willing to share their data with partners and collaborators. Some people also struggle with the idea of accountability. Who's responsible when an AI system makes a mistake? But the truth is, accountability is a shared responsibility between the developers, deployers, and users of AI systems. Many people are also held back by a lack of infrastructure. They don't have the computing power or storage capacity to train and deploy AI models. But the truth is, cloud computing is becoming increasingly affordable, and many companies are offering AI as a service platforms. Others struggle with the idea of security. They're worried about their AI systems being hacked or compromised. But the truth is, AI systems can be designed to be secure, with proper encryption, authentication, and access controls. And finally, some people struggle with the idea of transparency. They're not sure how AI systems make decisions, and they're worried about the lack of transparency. But the truth is, many AI systems are designed to be transparent, with explainable AI models that provide insights into how decisions are made. Now, let's explore the various methods of earning money with AI. One of the most popular methods is freelance work. Many companies are looking for freelancers who can help them develop and deploy AI models. And the best part is, you don't need to have a PhD in computer science to get started. Another popular method is content creation. With the rise of AI-generated content, there's a huge demand for high-quality content that's optimized for AI algorithms. And the best part is, you don't need to have any technical expertise to get started. Investing in AI startups is another lucrative method. With the rise of AI, many startups are springing up, and they're looking for investors who can help them grow and scale. And the best part is, you don't need to have any technical expertise to get started. You can also earn money by creating and selling AI-powered products. For example, you could create a chatbot that helps customers with their queries, or a virtual assistant that helps entrepreneurs with their tasks. Another method is affiliate marketing. You can promote AI-powered products and services, and earn a commission on every sale. And the best part is, you don't need to have any technical expertise to get started. You can also earn money by creating online courses teaching people how to work with AI. With the rise of AI, there's a huge demand for courses and tutorials that can help people get started. Another method is consulting. Many companies need help deploying and integrating AI systems, and they're willing to pay top dollar for consultants who can help them. You can also earn money by creating AI-powered services. For example, you could create a service that helps companies with their data analytics, or a service that helps entrepreneurs with their marketing. Another method is creating and selling AI-powered plugins and templates. For example, you could create a plugin that helps designers create AI-generated artwork, or a template that helps entrepreneurs create AI-powered sales funnels. You can also earn money by participating in AI-powered freelance platforms. For example, you could participate in platforms that allow you to complete AI-powered tasks, such as data labeling or content moderation. Another method is creating AI-powered ebooks and audiobooks. With the rise of AI, there's a huge demand for ebooks and audiobooks that can help people understand AI and how it can be used to earn money. You can also earn money by creating AI-powered stock trading algorithms. With the rise of AI, there's a huge demand for algorithms that can help traders make better investment decisions. Another method is creating AI-powered music and art. With the rise of AI, there's a huge demand for music and art that's generated using AI algorithms. You can also earn money by creating AI-powered virtual events. With the rise of AI, there's a huge demand for virtual events that can help people connect and learn about AI. Here's a story that illustrates the power of AI in generating income. John was a freelance writer who was struggling to make ends meet. He was earning a meager income from his writing, and he was worried about his financial future. But then he discovered AI-powered writing tools, and everything changed. He started using AI to help him with his writing, and he was able to produce high-quality content at a fraction of the time. He started earning more money, and he was able to achieve financial freedom. Let's recap the main points we've discussed. Earning money with AI is a reality, and it's becoming increasingly democratized. Anyone can learn to work with AI, regardless of their background or experience. There are many methods of earning money with AI, from freelance work to content creation and investing in AI startups. And the best part is, you don't need to have any technical expertise to get started. Remember, AI is not a replacement for human intelligence, it's an augmentation. It's a tool that can help us earn more money, free up our time, and achieve financial freedom. So, don't be afraid to take the first step and start exploring the world of AI. And finally, we'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on earning money with AI? Leave a comment below and let us know. And if you want to learn more about AI and how it can be used to earn money, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.